Hey guys, it's Mech from uklocksport.co.uk. Doing a quick video for you today. I've just received this in the post from America. It's going to be some homemade picks by a guy called Bryan White. Excellent pick maker. Saw a few of his on the internet. Got in touch with him and asked him if he could make a few custom picks. And hopefully this will be the result. So I've not opened it yet. Gonna get it open. Sure, I'll get this all on camera. I've been waiting for these for a while now. Obviously the mail takes a while. Awesome. Okay, that's all the packaging out. Now the picks inside here. All sealed up still. I asked him to make me 3. Gave him my dimensions of the picks that I wanted, thickness of the hooks, and the depth of the hooks. Wow, these are really well packed. Oh wow. The photos you sent me don't do these justice at all. These are absolutely brilliant. I'm going to get them all open. What I'll do is I'll get some photos with my DSLR camera and put them at the end of this video. Now these, like I said, custom picks, the length of the hook and everything, all down to my specification. Wow. And that's the Tiger. These are all G10 handles. The light's a bit crap in here, guys, but because basically it's like quite a few colours all in one. Now the blade runs the whole length. Absolutely brilliant. Wow. I'll get a Southord, sit that next to it just for comparison. Looks like you got the measurements absolutely spot on. Wow. So that's the first one. Wow, these feel amazing. Okay, then after the Tiger G10 handle, asked for the red and black G10, which is, it's hard to see in this light, but it's a black handle with like a red tint to it. A slightly different shaped hook on the end, because I got them to vary them a little bit, based them on the MSL range of Southord. Wow. Now this guy is talented. Look at the shine on that. And that's for the nice smooth handle on the top and the groove underneath. Okay, and the third one, last but not least, is the jade handle. Absolutely amazing. You just have to wait a minute, I want to have a look at these properly. Yeah, this guy got skills. Well, you've done a superb job on them, Brian. Excellent, mate. These two have got the same style handle. It comes in on the top, 2 places, with this one too. The third one, it slightly bends in on the top and gets a bit thicker on the outside. You can see the layers in it. No, I'll tell you what, I don't think I'm even going to use these. These are too nice to use. Absolutely amazing. So cheers, Brian, thank you very much. Definitely going to be pestering you to make some more. What I'll do is I'll take some photographs of these and get some clearer shots of them. And I'll also, what I'll do is I'll put your contact address in the details box below, so other people can get in touch with you. I think I'll get an order for a few more in first before I do. But wow, buddy, thank you very much. They're a lot better than I thought they were going to be. Like I said, the photos you sent me, they didn't do these as much justice as they deserve. Absolutely brilliant, mate. So, thank you very much, mate.